up a generous amount of this, okay? As you can see, your girl is looking a little rough and ragged, but it's all cool because I have dinner reservations in like an hour and 30 minutes for y'all, okay? And I'm about to slick my hair up and put it in this cute style that I got inspo from on Instagram. I feel like it's like a Barbie ponytail. So look, I got my bundles right here, actually from Ali Grace, 20-inch Brazilian hair from this company. I'm going to be using their bundles to create this style today. I'm going to run through the products that I use, and I will list everything in the description box below. I know I am in a black background, but y'all will be able to see all of this. Don't even trip. So for my hair type, I am natural, and I must detangle my hair in the shower or my hair will end up snagging, pulling out, whatever the case may be. So it's so much easier for me to just detangle my hair in the shower. If you don't know anything about the Demon Brush, where have you been, sis? It detangles all of your coils, your curls, and it does not rip your hair out. So I just basically focus on the root and like the base where I'm going to have my ponytail at, because that has to be detangled. This brush right here is my medium brush. It's not hard, it's not soft, but it's medium. And this brush right here is my super hard brush. You can get all of these brushes from your local beauty supply store. Wear your mask if you do go, okay? So for my moisture and my shine and my gel, I like using the Eco Styling Gel. This is the olive oil one. Yeah, this is my favorite one to pick up. I used the white and orange one before, but I can live without it. I can just stick with this one. Now this right here is my Organics Argan Oil Penetrating Oil. Now this stuff just gives me my shine, and it has my hair smelling really good. So, and I also love putting this in my weaves because it be laying down your flyaways, and it just be having your hair looking so nice and healthy. It doesn't give like an excessive shine to your hair. It just gives you that really natural, healthy hair shine. Pick up a generous amount of this, okay? So, I think my camera cut off, but I was just trying to say that it's high enough so when I put the weave in, the ponytail is going to fall and you'll still be able to see the height of the ponytail. So I just went over it with my medium brush just to smooth everything up. Like I said, my medium brush is for smoothing mainly, but you can also use like a toothbrush to smooth thumbnail. And I did not put any edges out or baby hairs, so let me go ahead and do that before I forget, because my hair likes to dry pretty fast. Alright, so the concept is take some hair out. After I take it out, I swoop it back up into my hair, and then I like to make like pockets or swoop pockets in my front half of my hair when I'm wearing my hair in like a ponytail. But I don't do this all the time. I really like doing it when I'm not having a part in my hair or something like that. Of course, you know, you want to bring these bad boys out. I honestly cut off my edges by accident, these edges, because I was messing around with this damn wig. I was cutting the lace of this wig while it was on my hair, and a little bit of my edges right here got into that area. So I'm going to do the extended method. I'm going to braid my hair and then add a little bit of braiding hair to it. So I'm just going to speed this up because I'm sure y'all have seen this. time for the fun parts. This can be a very tedious process for some, but I love seeing it come together. So as you can see, I'm just wrapping it at the end where I stopped. So look, here's my braided ponytail. I'm taking this little baby piece, wrapping it at the end, moving the rest of the hair out the way, and then I'm gonna pinch and start wrapping this rubber band around the weft. Okay? Now this is when I said you can undo the little baby bun or you can just keep it. I keep it because the hair is always long enough that you're not going to be able to clock it. Because if I'm just sitting here all day trying to make sure it's flat and laying, it's just going to be very annoying. And obviously you want to go in the same direction that you started the weft in the first place, because if you go the opposite, then it's going to be bulky and it's going to look crazy. So don't try it, okay sis? Just don't try it. Getting to the top and not having enough hair. That has happened to me a few times, and I had to like grab other wefts that I had laying around just to finish it off. But with this situation, it won't be like that because I'm already at the top and I still have a whole bundle left over. And I take that small piece of hair, right? I wrap it, and then I wrap it at the base, right there, okay? All right, so I'm gonna take a little piece of hair, wrap it around the base of my ponytail, just to secure it, right? Alright, so now you just want to make sure everything is laying flat at this point, because you don't want it to look like you had to bring in another bundle. You just want it to look like you didn't even have to open another pack. So you just want, now for this you don't have to wrap it so tight, because I find that when you wrap it super tight, it just looks very wonky. Time, and now I'm going to cut my weft over here, and now, okay, so I just cut the weft on that side, and the reason why I do that, guys, is because if I wrapped it one more time, then this would have looked bulky, and you want this to lay as flat as possible because you're about to go in and create your band. And lately, this has been my favorite brush. I don't know where I got this brush. I think I actually got it from CVS or Walgreens, but it really be making my curls turn out so fire after I like break them out. Once again, it looks like this. Just take the back piece and wrap it this way. Yeah, I'm gonna wrap it this way. Sometimes my hair don't like going certain ways, so I just have to make sure I know what works for me. Now, it may be different for you. Don't be alarmed or anything like that. Just try it before you put any product on the hair. So I like using Eco Styling Gel. Eco Styling Gel won't be enough. You are gonna have to use some hairspray just to ensure it's not gonna go anywhere. And obviously, if you want this to last for a couple of weeks, you wanna put some hairspray on your band. A bit of this And you can start smoothing as you go. It's super important for me to smooth as I go. Smooth it until the hair is in the same direction the whole entire time. What I'm about to do now is just add a little bit of layers, okay? I seen a picture that looks super like pretty and Barbie doll-esque. Now it looks like she did a lot of layers, so I'm just gonna cut a few layers in it. I'm gonna section the hair off mainly, like that, and then go from there, each section, just making layers. Using the first piece to guide me. And then same thing for the next piece. Okay, so it's looking good, it's looking good, I'm so excited. I'm gonna curl the hair going away from my face but upwards, okay? And I'm gonna make sure this is all the way high. And I'm just gonna find something to wear really quick because I don't wanna be super late. I can be like 5 minutes late without him trying to kill me.